your butt.
There's the pig's butt.
This is your butt.
That's my butt.
This is your butt. Yep, 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm walking to a grill.
With a big pig butt.
With a butt. Butt. I don't know whose butt. Your butt.
No, it's not my butt. It's a pig butt.
Ready, set. Didn't I have something else?
You were using your jacket.
Set. Go. Ready, go.
No, leave it on the pan. That'll make it easier, you know what I mean? Okay, so this should be done at what, 5 o'clock?
We're sitting pretty at 250 right now. What you need to do is get another cold thing
Okay.
ready.
Oh, cold. Dang on it. Shadows, can't see it. There you go. No, keep pushing. Here, put your feet out here. Okay, ready? Push. Push. Okay, put your foot on there. Come on, dude. Come on now, push it. Push. You act like you don't know what you're doing. Now let's do it. Push this one. Push. Come on, wait. Push your legs, William. Feet on the pedals. Okay, push. Push with this foot. Push. 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 Keep pushing. Now push with this one. And you gotta look where you're going at the same time. William, you gotta push, buddy. Right here, look. What you doing? You bouncing? Are you bouncing? Are you bouncing? Are you bouncing? Are you bouncing? I hope he doesn't break that window. Alright. Alright. What are you doing? Willa. Really bouncing, really bouncing, really bouncing. Where you going? Willa, where you going? Hey. Hey. Hello. 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 Hello, what you doing? What you doing, Willa Bean? What you doing, Willa Bean? What you doing, Willa Bean? How long are you making that video, bro?
137.
Stop it.
No. Ah. Ah.
Are you coming? Don't let her roll, Bill. Are you coming? Come on. Woo! That's right, let her face plant the grass.
There she goes.
I got you. I see.
Did you run? Oh, she's pissed off, Grandpa.
I see. Grandpa, you know what? They said she didn't like the grass because every time Chanel tried to put her down on the grass, that's what she did.
Why? Did you
I guess she doesn't like the feeling of the grass.
Here. You gonna go down the slide? There you go.
Let her roll.
Come on.
Slide.
Woo!
I'll make her slide. Pull her by her ankles and make her slide.
No, put her down on the grass and see what she does.
Here, you look at the grass.
Well, I guess she likes the grass. No, let her eat it.
Don't walk away from her.
What's the matter?
She don't like the grass.
What's that on your nose? What's that on your nose? What's that on your nose? You got something on your nose?
You're my baby.
That's all you're gonna eat. You don't even try the pork.
She said she wanted a few potatoes. A few is three, right?
Some little bit of pork, please.
Without the sauce on it. Or with the sauce.
Put a sauce on the side.
I think there's even a couple double eggs stashed in here.
And I do it every time. So he has nothing to complain.
Man, elbowing people, yelling at people. I was like,
up on
let me
top of me, man. Trying to cut me and it's gonna
get the fuck out of my way.
Where'd the big knife
elbow.
go?
You gotta watch out for that.
Down here. There's bread over there cut. Or did you want French bread?
Yeah, I don't want to take all the rules.
There's 3 fucking packages, dude. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now?
There's 12, 13, 14.
So I gotta know how this pork is. You guys gotta let me know, okay?
She's like, don't cut. That's right. Don't let her cut it now, Mom.
Mommy,
What, baby?
I need more butter.
Alright, hang
All we
on.
need is a spoon for the bottom. The butter's in the bottom.
All you need is pulled pork. La, 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 la. All you need is pulled pork. All you need is pulled pork. All you need is pulled pork.
She's talking shit.
No, I'm not. I'm singing a song. All you need is love. All you need is pulled pork.
That's it. See, there you go. There's a plate.
And then she's like bitching at me.
There's a
Being
plate.
mean. Everybody's mean.
William, get down here.
Oh, 0, no points.
I have no idea how that landed on the floor.